feel like she's getting sick, guys. I feel like Madison is getting sick. Good morning, guys. So today is Wednesday, I think it is, but I'm not sure. Don't take me by my word. So yeah, today is a good day. Today is a beautiful day. I haven't been outside. I don't know what the weather is like, but homegirl here is gonna go to the gym. I gotta finish editing my video right there. Put it up for you guys for today at 2 p.m. Oh, from now on my videos do have a schedule, so you can expect to see our videos from 2 to 4, anywhere from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. in that time frame. So 2 to 4. So if you don't see any videos from us after 4 p.m. I probably would. We're not having a video that day, but I will explain. But if you do get a video, still have to take my tree down. Like, am I the only one that haven't taken their Christmas tree down? It's January 4th. Be honest. Am I the only one that still have their tree? Grant you, I did have that stuff up from last year, but I'm pretty sure that's minor compared to a big old tree that's just sitting in the middle of my living room. It has to go. But I'm too lazy. And then my stockings are still hung up. But I have the children put their stocking there because, you know, I want to be able to find it. But I'm rambling. So we're going to the gym today. I'm going to strap the baby onto me and we're going to walk on the treadmill. I have to get back into working out because I was losing weight before I got pregnant and I need to continue. So with that said, Jackson has to go on the school bus, you know, yada yada, the whole, you know, so Jackson has to go on the school bus and we have to do all that. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So I haven't had breakfast. That's the bad thing about me, guys, is that I don't really eat breakfast. Is that a bad thing? Like, I don't eat breakfast. Why am I yellow? Every time I come by my kitchen, I'm yellow. But anyways, guys, you're just gonna have to deal with a yellow black lady. But I don't eat breakfast. I don't eat breakfast and I don't enjoy making breakfast. It's 11:07 and I hadn't had breakfast yet. I don't like breakfast. I'm not a breakfast person. I'm not a morning person. So I'm gonna get everything done and then come back. So I will see you guys at the, I don't know when I'll see you guys, just okay? I know I joke about not having my husband's dinner ready, but in all seriously, I do try. I do try and I do put in a decent amount of effort to making sure that you know, his food is cooked and ready for him. But it's hard. It's hard. So I'm getting ready to put on the crock pot. I'm a crock pot person because with a newborn it's hard. So for now, I think I'm gonna do stoopies. I haven't done that in a while, so I think I'm gonna attempt to do that. So I'm gonna set that on. So you guys are welcome to watch me put it on. Get me this big old Ferrero Rocher. This big old thing of Ferrero Rocher. Like, I don't need this, but I do because it's my favorite chocolate. So thank you, honey, because I've been binge eating on them. I eat them like 2 at a time. Bad, don't do that. Maddie's up and I'm watching YouTube. I don't know why. I should be getting ready to go, but I'm watching YouTube and little Mad is up. Little Mad is up. Let me stop. She has that mad face, like, get that out of my face. Feed me right now so we can go. Good morning, sweet girl. She's still in her pajamas. Say don't come for me because I'm still in my PJ.
Mommy, can we watch this? Can we watch this?
Madison said no.
Why?
You have to start getting ready for school. Go get your backpack. Get your backpack and stuff ready.
I got bring.
What are you doing? Where's your jacket?
You go get the stuff.
Go get your jacket, man.
You go get it.
You go get it. It's you going to school, not me. Jackson, go get your jacket, get your shoe. So when I'm ready to go, go and get your stuff ready. I really can't dance. I really can't. So don't laugh at me. I'm gonna go because Maddie's starting to wake up. And I think it's time for her to eat. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna go home. That's enough for one day. So I'll see you guys when I get back home. Maddie Quinn, can you give me that smile yet? Smile for me, baby. Smile for mommy, Maddie. She was just smiling, guys. And I wanted to capture her smile on camera, but she's not going to smile for you guys. Nope. She just pooted. So the babies are home. The kids are home. I need to stop calling them babies because they're not babies, okay? They're not babies. And they're doing their chores. And I'm cleaning up because I swear, I have some kind of attention problem. Like, what is the light? Okay. So I have some kind of attention span problem because I can start something and then something else gets my attention and then I'm distracted. So I'm very distracted when it comes to cleaning. I'll start something and then something gets my attention and then I totally forget about what I'm doing. So if I don't write it down and periodically just check back and forth with what I've written down to make sure that I'm doing things to stay on track, I will go off track. So I don't even know what I have this child over here doing. Who's this, Jason?
No. Yes. Camera.
I don't know. Jason's putting things in washer. And
I'm helping Jackson.
Oh, he did the kid a litter.
Yes, you want me
Destiny, what are you doing?
helping Jackson.
Oh, you're helping Jackson with his name and his letters and his numbers and his drawing and all of that. So right now it's chore time in this house. Like from 4 to 5 is probably around chores, and then after that they have to do
homework.
Look at their faces. Like, why? So, and I'm cooking dinner still in the crock pot. Still all of that. So, anyways, I think that's gonna be it for today because I keep thinking that I need to pick up the camera and share some stuff when not. It's later in the day. I usually don't share much of what we do in the evenings, simply because it gets chaotic, more chaotic than, no, it's not. Simply because it gets more chaotic than what it is during the morning time, because half the kids are not here. So I don't really pick up the camera that much, and my face looks kind of weird. But I think that's it. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much. Ooh. What? I think that's gonna be it for today's vlog. So that's it. So let's do a rundown. I went to the gym, started dinner, and clean. Why is that child holding the dog?
Okay. I want to have this. Dad's lucky that he has a Rubik's Cube. I love if this was for Christmas for me.
Alright, watch out.
Let's go into the living room.
So Jordan sorted laundry for tomorrow, because I do laundry on Thursday. So this is underwear, tops and bottoms, and they're all ready for tomorrow. So tomorrow all I do is drop a load in the wash and go. I don't have to sort, because like I told you guys, there's a system in which I do laundry, and it's a system in which I do laundry. I do underwear separate from everything. That way underwears go in drawers, tops they get hang, and bottoms get folded and put away. So if I don't have to sort while I'm putting stuff away, I can put it away, if that makes sense. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys on, I have a new system going now, so I will see you guys on, today's what, Wednesday? This video is going up for Friday, so I will see you guys on Monday. And then on Sundays I am doing chit chat with Janice, so that way you guys get to know us a bit, you know, other than me just running around the place and stuff. So chit chats on Sundays. Not every Sunday you're gonna get chit chat, but you know, periodically, like once a month or every 2 weeks, you get chit chat with Janice. So that's how things are gonna be done this year. So yeah, so anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys Monday. So take care, bye.